Welcome back to another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Guys, I am so happy you tuned in today. For those that are new and don't know me, my name is Aleia and I do natural hair reviews. This video is going to be super cool because we'll be reviewing a totally new line for me. This is the Eden Bodyworks Papaya Castor Oil Collection review, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and just jump right into it. I did purchase the Eden Bodyworks. This is the Papaya Castor Scalp Cleanser right here. I also purchased the Conditioning Hair Dress. And lastly, I also purchased the Nourishing Curl Jam. And then this also came with it as well. And this is just a leave-in conditioner from the Coconut Shea line. But we'll be focusing on the Papaya and Castor collection line today. Okay guys, so I first went in the shower with the scalp cleanser. I love this stuff. Like this, I thought it was gonna let me down because I couldn't till this moment, I cannot open the top. Like I'm pressing down, I'm turning, I'm twisting, I'm pressing on it. It won't open, and like I don't know if I broke it or what, but I'm probably gonna wind up emailing the company because I paid for this and I cannot get the cap to open for the life of me. So I just simply unscrewed it and used what was in here. I didn't use a lot, but this was some good stuff. You can really feel it on your scalp. You can feel the product in your hair. You can feel it cleansing. Like, I really enjoyed this. The smell was great. Like, this was a really good cleanser. I'm washing my hair a lot more because I'm now on YouTube. Yay. However, that is causing my hair to be a little bit more dry. So I am loving these cleansers and co-washers and things of that nature. So this is, again, the Papaya Castor Eden Bodyworks cleanser right here. And it is some good stuff. So next, after I did that, I actually didn't purchase a deep conditioner. I don't even know if this collection comes with a deep conditioner, but I didn't purchase one, so I just went in with the Main Choice POW collection. This is a really cool deep conditioner. I love it. So I went in with this on my hair. So I left this on my hair for about 10 minutes while I washed my body. And then after I washed it out, I did go in with this leave-in conditioner from Eden Bodyworks, but this isn't the same collection line. This is just their Coconut Shea collection. And I used like almost all of it. I tried my best to use all of it, so, because I'm going to probably wind up throwing this in the trash. That's everything I went in with in the shower. And now I only have the leave-in in my hair. I am going to go ahead and be using the Nourishing Curl Jam and the hair dress today. Let's get started. Okay, so here is, I'm gonna just open this up so you guys can see. Very jam-like. See, it's right here. It has a very jam-like consistency. Not too sticky. It definitely has like a creamy jam feels to it. And then next is the conditioning hair dress. This is a little bit more harder. That's what it looks like right here. And I can go ahead and just put that on me. That's what it looks like. It feels like a shea butter more so than anything. It melts like a shea butter, very, very thick butter. Guys, we're going in with some Flexi Rods today. I am so excited to be doing this. So I'm going to go ahead and just take this down. This is what we're working with right out the shower, guys. My hair has been in that towel for quite some time now. Probably roughly a good hour. So my hair dried up a little bit, but that is okay. I am going to go ahead and just part it down the side like I normally do. Alright guys, so I do have my hair all sectioned off and ready to go. I'm actually going to go ahead and just knock out the back section really quick, and then I will see you guys when I get to the front. Alright guys, so I am finally finished the back section, and I have to say it's been going quite smooth. I do want to just hop on the Eden website really quickly so I can show you guys all about this collection. Okay, so this line is actually perfect for soothing a dry, flaky scalp and locking in moisture to boost the volume. I definitely feel like since I've done the back section already, these products have already done so. Also pay attention to the yellow part of the screen where it talks about all of the ingredients that's in the collection. The two main ingredients are of course papaya and castor oil, but it's a no-brainer that healthy hair starts at the scalp, of course, and also at the roots too. But I love how it's saying there's no parabens or sulfates, there's no mineral oils or dyes, and it's cruelty free as well, which is pretty cool. They also have a lot of videos on here. They're shouting out people. You can see some of the products are actually sold out. I didn't purchase all of them. I really wish I would have got the foam, but I didn't. But I am loving everything I purchased so far. And comment down below if you guys have actually ever tried papaya before. I tasted it once and I was not a big fan of it. I was hoping for like a mango-y taste and it didn't taste like that. I don't know if mine was like going bad or something, but it didn't have a good taste to it in my opinion. You can pick up these products either online or at Target, Amazon, and CVS as well. Oh, it says coming soon to CVS, but they're at Target and Amazon. Ooh, look at all these pretty faces I see on Instagram too. So yeah, that's pretty much the entire collection. I definitely just wanted to show this to you guys so you could see what's going on behind the scenes. Alright guys, so I am going to go ahead and start in the front section. I do have these two right here, which I have been using and loving. Again, this is the conditioning hair dress. Is amazing. It's giving my hair so much moisture, and the curl jam is really cool as well. Now, I really don't have a gel, which I kind of wish I did, but hopefully when we take these out, they'll look like they can stand up to par. I'm gonna first start with the conditioning hair dress. It's right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and take some again and just place that on my hand, and then I'm able to rub this all into, look how oily it is. That gives me so much moisture, and I do the like panting method or the prayer hands to just really work it in there. Okay, and then I go in with the Nourishing Curl Jam. Just take a little bit on my finger, put it on here just like so, and then we'll go ahead and smooth that in with the prayer hands as well. And this just helps me so I know that the product is evenly distributed. And I go in with my Felicia Leatherwood and give it a couple good brushes. There's a lot of different ways to put a flexi rod in your hair, but this is just the way that I've been doing it. So I take the flexi rod right here and I'm going to wrap my ends around it and make sure that they're fully covered with hair so I can start working up the flexi rod. So all I'm going to do is just twist. This is the style that I want to do. And that's how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and take this top part and flap it down, take the bottom part and flap it up, and that will lock the hair into place. I also think that me putting it on so flat on the flexi rod is going to help it with the drying process cut down a little bit too. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that one more time. I'm going to go ahead and get back in with the conditioning hair dress. I love this stuff. This is probably like my favorite. This one and the cleansing. Oh my gosh, like it smells amazing. It moisturizes my hair how I need it to. Like it really feels like it's moisturized. And then I go back in with the curl gel right here. Just taking a good amount of prayer hands again. My hair is loving this stuff. Now I do wish I had a gel, but it's okay. The jam works just fine. Let's hope. And we'll go back in with an orange one. Starting at the bottom, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap my end on. And then once I have it secure on there, I'm just going to start to wrap up. And then once I get to all the way to the scalp, I pull the top down. The bottom, I pull it up, and it makes like this little cute C, but it's stuck in there. It's locked and it's not going anywhere. All right, guys, let's put some music on so you can see the show. Y'all, I am finally done my Flexi Rod set. Oh my god, that took a little bit of time, but damn, baby. This Eden conditioning hairdress and nourishing curl jam did me so much justice. I am praying that this comes out really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and allow this to dry. I'll sit under my hooded blow dryer for a little bit and I'll go to sleep, and then when I wake up, hopefully it's dry. If not, we're gonna wait for it to dry, but then I'll be back to take these out. I will see you guys soon, so hang tight in there with me. What's up, guys? I am finally back and my hair is 100% dry. I'm so excited to be taking these down because, girl, I slept horribly. Like, I think I went to bed like 5 o'clock in the morning. I was so exhausted, and with this whole quarantine thing, it's just been crazy, but I have not been getting like a good sleep, and like these things in my hair. Have you guys comment below if you slept with Flexi Rods in your hair and tell me about your experience. Mine was horrible. Alright, so I'm just going to jump right into it. And guys, remember, this is the review for the Eden Bodyworks, the Papaya and Castor collection right here. I give these like 5 stars. These were absolutely amazing. I love them so much. I will be using them in the future. These did a really good job in my hair. I loved it. But let's see the final results, because that's really going to tell if this came out correctly. So I'm just going to go ahead and start unraveling these, and then you guys just watch what I do. Alright guys, so I took out all the Flexi Rods, and might I say I am loving these curls so far. They're dry, they are a little bit frizzy on the ends, and I do think that's because I did not have a gel. A gel really would have laid everything flat down. I do have a little bit of frizz, but that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and just unravel these off camera and make it all nice and pretty for you guys. So I will be back in 3, 2, 1. OMG, do you guys see the definition? Do you see the shine? Like, what? I didn't even use any gel. Okay, so let me know in the comments if you guys have ever used this collection from Eden Bodyworks, the Papaya and Castor collection. I'm a huge fan. This did the job. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. You guys, I am smiling from ear to ear. So these are the final looks. I give the Eden Bodyworks Papaya and Castor collection a 10 out of 10, of 5 stars, whatever you want to give them. They get a high rating from me. This is cute, like sis. Alright, let me stop. But guys, thank you so much for tuning into another video of As Always Aleia. I really hope that you enjoyed this entire review and the demo and my hair and the Flexi Rods. They did their thing. I already know this is going to be lasting for days on days. So, there you have it. Guys, me and my curls are out of here. Thank you so much for tuning into another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.